In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import a custom indicator into NinjaTrader. By the end of this video, you'll have your custom indicator successfully added to NinjaTrader and ready to use in your workspace. First, click the plus icon. On your screen, move to the toolbar and select the plus icon to open the Add options. This is where NinjaTrader lets you bring in new components like indicators from outside files. Click it once, and wait for the small menu to appear so you don't miss the next option. Next, choose Import File. From the menu that appears after clicking the plus icon, select Import File. This opens your system's file browser. Navigate to the location where you saved your custom indicator package. Most custom NinjaTrader indicators are provided as a single zip file. You don't need to unzip it. Select the file, then confirm the choice to start the import. As the import begins, keep an eye on the on-screen status. NinjaTrader will read the file and add the indicator to your platform. If a prompt appears asking you to confirm the import, approve it. If you see a message about existing files, that simply means NinjaTrader is checking for duplicates to keep your setup stable. Allow it to finish. Don't close the window or click away until the process completes. Once that's done, you should see a success confirmation on screen. Your indicator is now part of your NinjaTrader installation. At this point, you can find it in your indicator list the next time you open the indicators panel on a chart. The name will match the indicator you just imported. If the list is long, use the search field to locate it quickly. Selecting it will show its inputs and settings, just like any built-in indicator. If you imported more than one indicator inside the same zip, all included items will be available in your list. This is normal for indicator bundles. If you don't see what you expect right away, double-check that you selected the correct zip file during the import file step and that the import completed without errors. That's it. Your custom indicator is now imported into NinjaTrader and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.